Thank you. Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here. Just a second. Sorry. Excuse me. Yes. So with the COVID, I will speak about retail. I'm the co-founder of La Retail Tech. La Retail Tech is the first community in France that brings together and activates all players that are passionate about innovation and that want to shape the future of retail. So when we speak about retail, we always speak about change. Change is the only constant in this industry. But since the beginning of the pandemic, change really is accelerating dramatically. Retailers no longer recognize their customers, and there are a lot of new consumption modes that appear. So we can speak about e-commerce for sure, but not only click and collect, pick up, contactless payment, no checkout, a lot of new things, a lot of new behaviors for the customers. And for sure, the retailers react. They react very faster and very stronger than ever before. And imagine just in 5 weeks, they lead 5 years of digital transformation. So it's a very incredible transformation. And there a private joke in our industry. We said that COVID, that's the actuality, but the COVID is the new retail CIO. And so retailers made a lot of plans, short, mid, long-term plans that needs a lot of technologies and a lot of innovations. So we can speak about, for sure, cloud platform, IoT, AI, data analysis, blockchain, Web3. It's just some examples in order to enhance the omni-channel experience for the customer and also to improve fulfillment on logistics, on supply chain, for sure. And it's not an option because customers that experiment these new behaviors don't want to go back. They use now to have new ways of consumption, and they don't want to go back. And it's only the beginning because they want even more. Now they used to work at home. They used to use technology in their daily life. And imagine the population is more and more urban. In 2050, we will be more or less 70% of people that will live in urban cities. So you, as consumers, you've got the power. And now I propose just to let's see together how retailers could provide new seamless omni-channel experience through 3 worlds: physical, digital, but also the new one, the virtual one. So if we speak about physical, what the most is important is to help customers to have the best experience in store. Why? Because you can now, with your smartphone, you can have more or less everything from home. So why to go in store if it's not to experiment a fantastic experience? So the retailers need really to improve their operations in store. So for that, they need to provide the right price, the right product at the right price, at the right place, to avoid out of stock, to provide more information to the customers, to cancel the queue online, for example. And it needs a lot of technology to do all of that. One other example in the digital world, we see more and more a fusion between online and offline. And it's very interesting. This example is in China. It's a lab store between Burberry and Tencent, a nice partnership that use a lot of technology, VR, AR, some gaming things. And the aim of this flagship is really to have the same experience between digital part and physical one. So you are in store, You can scan a lot of QR code and so on. You have more content and so on. And when you are on the website, you are invited to join the physical part. And it's very interesting to see this fusion. It's just an example. A lot of retailers all over the world do that today. And now let's go to virtual, because for sure the new consumers, the new generations are already ready for virtual. The aim for the retailers is not to recreate the same store in the virtual world. It's more to imagine new business model, to be in a test and learn mode, and to find the right way to develop new links with the customer, to be the one that will be able to provide a direct link with the customer. So new game, new rules, we have to invent for sure new business rules. And these business rules will need for sure open innovation, cooperation, new partnerships between the retailers, the startups, all the companies that are able to provide technology, and also CPGs. And for sure, to have a deep look regarding green also, because today it's very important for the consumer to see the retailers have a real position regarding sustainability, and not only to provide technology for technology. So that's all for me. And I invite you to visit La Retail Tech to have more information.